Fam, in this video we are diving into the MEXC Golden Age Future Activity, a limited time event offering traders the chance to earn exclusive reward and bonuses just for trading and future on the MEXC platform. Whether you are a seasoned trader or just standing out, this campaign could boost your earnings and make your trading experience even more exciting. Stick around as we break down how it works, who can participate, and the step to claim your rewards here. Before starting the video, I will recommend you to must go typing it. You can see my video details in that, and you will also get the notification of my new videos in the future, and you can easily be able to part of it. So now further, I will share with you the details about that project. Here is the MEX exchange. I will share all the detail. They have the mid-year heat here. They have the golden era shutdown, gold bar, and BTC gateway. You can see it here. They have the giveaway of here amount which is given here. The USDT. You can see the golden era shutdown is given here. They have 100 O's. MEXC. The event ends in 9 days, so must go and join that event. You have to first of all register on MEXC. I will share all the detail that how you can participate in it. So you can easily trade here. The participant and prizes given. The more participant, the bigger the prize pool. So they have registered users which is 1,80,464, and the total prize pool is given which is almost 40 lakh here. So you can see the participants here are given. The more the participant, the more will be the bigger the prize pool, the more you will be able to get money on it. So must go and join MEXC and be their user and get more prize from it and be a part of their giveaway. So you can see it here. They are at that time here, and it will be achieved in a few times. Their statistics are given here. You can see your daily prizes here. You can see your weekly prizes and unlimited grand prizes here too. Daily prizes, you can be able to win up to 2025 USDT and one scratch off for every 50 USDT traded daily, capped at 5 scratch off per day. So you can easily be able to scratch 5 off per day, and you can eligible for one scratch by trading of $50,000. So the more you trade, the more you will be able to get the scratch. The more you scratch, the more you will be able to get the prize, which is up to 2025 USDT. So the more you trade, the more you will be able to be a part of it. So I will just touch on the trade now option. You can see it here is the BTC over USDT is given here. You can see it here. You can trade that. You can see you can go for the isolated, and you can also for here other one. You can see new user exclusive details is given. You can see all their details from here. You can go and they will even though give you the details. Here is their leverage is given. You can see you can go for the 500x leverage, which is the biggest amount here. This is the one exchange which is giving about 500x leverage here. You can go for 20, and it's up to you upon your experience, upon your expertise, that how much leverage do you want from here, and you can go for trade and you can do the trading here too. So now I will just see you here about the BTC price, its exchanges. The more you are here, the more you will be able to get about that from here too. So furthermore, the global bar and BTC giveaway $10M mega pool daily wins. You can see it here. You can go for the deposit, and you can go for further details from here. So I will just go and see you here the details about that gold bar and BTC giveaway, which is here about that. You can easily be able to participate in it. I share with you that how you can do the trade. The more you do trade, the more you will be able to get the scratch here. You can see they have here 9,378 per given here price info. Remaining price pool 2 days given. You can see their prices here, their sale price scratch to win the guaranteed reward. So if you scratch that, you can get the guaranteed reward, and you can get that scratch by the trade of $50,000 here. So you will get 5 scratch per day even you do that. Weekly surprise is given win up to 5000 USDT for every accumulated weekly trading of here you can see if you do here the trading about you can see that amount which is 20 lakh here, so you will receive one lucky draw chance with a maximum of 5 chances per week. So you can get that. For getting this amount you can go and trade, or you can get one lucky spin here too. So you can go and trade here. The more you trade, the more you will be able to get a chance. From trade you can also get money, you can also get profit, and from that trade you can also be able to be a part of this surprise and you can win up to here. The remaining prize pool this week is given, you can see it here, that amount, and you can get the basically a spin roll here too. You can go for that, you can go for their prize info from here too, and ultimate grand prize gold bar and BTC giveaway is also given for every, you can see it here, amount is given accumulated in trading volume during the event period. You will receive one sequentially granted 5-digit lucky lottery ticket, and with no limit the number of ticket, gold bar and BTC will be awarded to the winning ticket. So you can see it here, you can see the fair rules, and you can trade that more and get one lottery ticket from here. Your lottery code will be given here, you have to just go and trade now as I share with you the all info. Winning code and of ultimate grand prize is given, grand prize reveal in 11 days. So you can see it here, their codes will be given here in 11 days, so be a part of it. So you can get the your lottery codes, and if they match with that code you can easily be able to get amount on it too, and you can get the giveaway. You can see BTC blockchain hash decade is given, the lottery code for ultimate grand prize is also given. You can see lucky ticket lottery leaderboard is given here, the username is given. You can see lottery tickets acquired they have given you can also be a part of it by going and getting it. Ultimate grand prize is given, which is 100 OZ gold bar valued of 3,50,000 USDT. Elite prize is given 1 Bitcoin and the value is 0.5 Bitcoin. You can see their expert prize also given, which is 1,000 future bonus. And how to participate in it, you can see they have the event period which is given here, the time, and lucky draw period is also given. Eligibility is once the event begin, user from all countries region can register and participate in it. You can go and register and easily be able to participate in it. How do I participate in this event, can I join? You can see the FAQs of it is given, event rules are given, user must click registration button on this page to participate in this event, and there must be at least 17 years old to be eligible. Only future trading volume with fee is given here, and you can see it here, all trading statistics will be given. You can see all the detail, I share all the details with you about that project, and you can see their details all here. So I share with you all the detail about this, all the information about this project. So if you like my video, give thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching.